The Mac Mini, often overshadowed in Apple's diverse product lineup, is gearing up for a transformative redesign. This forthcoming model marks the first significant update since 2023, when Apple phased out the Intel-powered variants and introduced versions with M2 and M2 Pro processors. Now it seems Apple is set to bypass the M3 generation altogether, leaping straight to the M4 series, including an M4 Pro option. This new iteration is expected to be a substantial departure from its predecessors, featuring a comprehensive design revamp that shrinks its form factor to almost the size of an Apple TV set-top box. According to the Power On newsletter by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the Mac Mini is poised for a substantial transformation. Gurman indicates that this redesign will be the first major shift in the Mac Mini's design language since the days of Steve Jobs back in 2010. In a recent report, Gurman mentioned that at least one Mac model in the upcoming M4 series would experience significant changes, extending beyond just a chip upgrade. The new Mac Mini is projected to be nearly half the size of the current model, making it a truly compact powerhouse. This redesigned Mac Mini will reportedly be available with both standard M4 and M4 Pro chips, catering to a variety of user needs. Apple's strategy includes updating its entire Mac lineup with M4 chips over the next year. The Mac Mini, iMac, and MacBook Pro are all slated to receive M4 chip upgrades later this year, with the Mac Pro, Mac Studio, and MacBook Air expected to follow suit in 2025. This comprehensive rollout will ensure that Apple's Mac family remains at the cutting edge of performance and innovation. Despite the numerous enhancements and cutting-edge technology, these improvements are likely to result in a higher starting price. The redesigned Mac Mini is anticipated to launch with a starting price of around $700, up from the current $600. While this increase may seem significant, the added capabilities and performance upgrades make the Mac Mini a strong contender for users seeking a powerful yet compact desktop solution. The launch of the redesigned Mac Mini is expected to coincide with the release of new MacBook Pro models featuring M4 Pro and M4 Max chipsets later this year. M4-powered MacBook Air models are expected to debut in 2025, with updates to the Mac Studio and Mac Pro lines anticipated next year. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the M4 Mac Mini and other tech news.